The Oppo F11 Pro comes with 48-megapixel dual rear camera that helps you capture great photos even in low light. The phone comes with a glossy 3D gradient glass finish back panel. The phone is available in waterfall grey color. F11 Pro comes with 6GB RAM plus 128GB internal memory for a smooth performance while playing games or switching between multiple apps. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The F11 Pro features a 6.5-inch panoramic screen design with 90.90 screen ratio, giving you more screen space that provides an immersive experience. The phone has a 48-megapixel plus 5-megapixel dual rear camera with large image sensor, large aperture and AI image processing for professional quality pictures even in low light conditions. It also has a 16-megapixel rising camera that helps you take great selfies. The phone runs on Android-based Pie operating system. The 2.1 GHz MediaTek Helio P70 octa-core processor allows you to easily multitask. It has a large 4000 mAh battery, providing talk time of 36 hours, standby time of 360 hours, and Whoop Flash Charge 3.0 that helps you charge faster. The box includes Whoop charge adapter, earphone, USB cable, SIM tray ejector, pre-applied screen protector and protective case, information booklet, warranty card, and quick guide. The Oppo F11 Pro comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options.